Hello, this is Rodolfo Silva, and let's talk about custom presets using ZModeler. So to access your custom presets, all you have to do is go over to your polygon actions, edge actions, or point actions, and on the top, you can see we have a My Presets tab. Now over here, you can see I already have a few. So if you go to My Presets on every single one of them, and I'm going to show you how to create those. So basically, as you're modeling something, and you have the ability to just paint and then just go and Q-mesh this and maybe paint this. And maybe now I want to Q-mesh that polygroup island. You usually go over here and then you have to change your target all the time every time you want to Q-mesh something else. Or maybe you want to use 3 different targets for the same modeling action like Q-mesh or inset or whatever it is. This is how the presets come into play. Usually, you would have to go in and change everything manually every time you want to change your operations. And now you don't have to do that. So we have Q-mesh a single poly. And let's say I want to Q-mesh a poly loop, for example, and I do this all the time. I'm just going to tap that plus icon on the top right corner of our Polygon Actions tab. And now I can name this action and target and modifiers as a combination and a single key. So let's just call this Q-mesh tutorial. And I'm going to save. And now you can see my Q-mesh preset is on the top. And I can long press this. I can edit this, duplicate it, or I could just hold and then drag it to organize my presets. And now the point is, you don't have to access this menu every time you need to change a preset. The point of ZModeler, again, is to be fast. So let's say I'm now Q-meshing a poly loop, and let's say I want to Q-mesh a single poly again. Instead of going to my menus again, I'm going to just long press on that Polygon Actions button, and all of my presets will appear right here on the left. So I can just long press and then just drag my finger to what I want to be. Let's say I want to Q single, and now I can just Q-mesh that single polygon. And then let's say I want to start, you can see like my edge actions is set to crease edge loop partial. If I long press, I have a few presets over here already. So I have an insert edge loop. And so this is basically your single edge loop. This is an insert multiple edge loop with a keep polygroups, and this is the same, but with alternate polygroups. So if I let go of this, I can now drag edge loops around, and then I'm like, okay, maybe now I want an actual specific edge loop. So I can go over here again and just go insert loop, and now I'm controlling that loop. And you can see how fast it is to just change between different types of actions. The same thing goes for point. I can split a point over here. So I can go over here and just split that point, and then tap Alt to change that polygroup, and then zoom in, and I can go to my mesh actions. You can see it's set to Q-mesh a single poly. So I can go again with polygroup island, and then just do that. That's an inset. So I can do something like this just to frame it in. And now I can do the same thing and go to Q-mesh P island. And these are all presets that I pre-made before I even started the video. But again, it's that easy. You just go into your actions menu and select your action, select your target, select your modifiers, and then just press the add button instead of repeatedly having to change those settings every time you want to do something else using ZModeler. And added to that, if you want for any reason to undock this, you can hold those dots on the top of those polygon edge and point actions and just drag those over and have them sit anywhere on the screen as you please. So if I want them over here, I can also have them over here, or maybe closer to like your custom wheel. So you have this ability to just press your Alt, Shift, Control keys while still having control of ZModeler using your thumb. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.